and try to get work and fail miserably.
It's a tough business, man.
I have to see what time it did start. The TV playing. Okay, it's I've been so slow that the movie is already this one is scary. We used to, okay, I can see program. Now, I think I messed it up a bit. I really need a smoke break. So, what we do, I don't know why we can't see that stupid movie. It's because I'm so slow. It's more than midnight. I forgot it was this movie. But the movies is not. Okay, we forget it. You cannot replay movies. And we back to Twitter, I'm sorry. And this says Twitter, okay, we back, I'm sorry. But actually I need a smoke break. So I can put some TV. But because this would take a long time.
All the other comedians, and I was just, then I sort of grew this obsession for him, and my wife.
This looked boring. Okay. It's about Caesar. I go out smoke and you can sit watch this bit. I'm sorry, I need a smoke break.
Antoine revient de loin. Il est certain qu'il aurait pu périr après la mort de César, c'est même ce qu'il craignait. Il perçoit la mort de César comme une catastrophe pour lui, parce que il doit toute sa carrière à César et il est certain que, dans son esprit, que César mort.
I think I just I need to just stop and I will record one more.